The goal of any engineering service provider is to deliver the best possible solution to their customers, and the Autodesk Factory Design Suite can help them greatly enhance this process. In this scenario, an engineering service provider is challenged to find room for a new wrapping station. Instead of expanding the production line into an adjacent bay or a new building, they chose to elevate certain parts of the line, making the most efficient use of the available space. This layout required clear communication of the proposed alternative to all internal and external stakeholders. Autodesk Factory Design Suite can help engineering service providers create proposals that clearly articulate the design intent of the project with compelling 3D layouts and stunning photorealistic renderings. All engineering service providers are familiar with the free work necessary for any bidding process and the fluid nature of ever-changing customer requirements. The Autodesk Factory Design Suite helps overcome these challenges by allowing designers to build a model of the factory with easy-to-use 3D factory assets. These assets quickly snap and unsnap, allowing the easy creation of multiple what-if scenarios. Drawings are a necessary part of any proposal, and the Factory Design Suite allows engineering service providers to easily create the required drawings. Plan views, elevations, and section views, along with detail views and bills of material, are all a direct function of the 3D layout. Factory Design Suite also offers bidirectional associativity with 2D AutoCAD data, allowing designers to create layouts in AutoCAD and automatically convert the drawing into 3D layout models in Inventor. Changes made to the layout in 3D can automatically update the 2D AutoCAD drawing, saving time and effort while ensuring accurate documentation. It is inevitable that any new layout will encounter interferences or equipment collisions. Factory Design Suite offers engineering service providers a robust set of clash detection tools. These tools help engineers avoid installation issues earlier in the design process by identifying equipment clashes and space constraints before they become real on-site customer issues. In this video, we've demonstrated just some of the ways Autodesk Factory Design Suite can address the needs of engineering service providers. The reusable assets allow for clear articulation of design intent to all stakeholders, even those who can't read 2D drawings. The bidding process is streamlined and enhanced by the automatic creation of drawing views and photorealistic imagery. And the final design solution is optimized by discovering interferences by utilizing the clash detection tools.